A conservative or an orthodox literally means a person who is averse to change and holds to traditional values and attitudes, typically in relation to politics. So conservatives are in the opposition of government-mandated energy efficiency project, and their zeal is to oppose it to government. Distort, as choice A, is a trap answer because although an image of government can be distorted, but nothing is relevant here done by the conservatives to distort the energy efficiency, rather it is absurd as options. On the other hand, denigrate, as choice C, is a very strong word that means to criticize or disparage or castigate highly, which is exactly fits the blank one to make sense the way conservatives have approached. Choice B, given as defy, means to treat as godlike, which is irrelevant to reflect any juncture of the passage to make sense and fit blank one. So choice B is firstly eliminated. Posit as choice D is the only match to fit blank 2, which means postulating or proposing, since deny is the opposite of what the sentence intends, and cajole means persuading someone to do something by sustained coaxing or flattery, which does not fit the context, so choice E and choice F are eliminated. So we can eliminate choice A, choice B, choice E, and choice F. Now, some conservatives posit that requiring better vehicular mileage will actually backfire by encouraging motorists to spend more time behind the wheel, and therefore they have to use the initial savings in fuel cost. That is, the initial savings are to be used and the savings are to be nullified, which is meant by choice H, given as negate. Thus, the project does not corroborate or support the motorists. Moreover, coalesce as choice G does not fit the context, as it means coming together or form one mass or whole. So we can eliminate choice G and choice I, and choice H fits the blank 3. So the correct answers are choice C, choice D, and choice H.